Okay, YouTube. Today we have a handbag, a lady's handbag with the brand TOD. I hope you could see. Yeah, this is a TOD's bag, a lady's handbag with a lot of areas which are abrasion and a lot of color coming out. So maybe the camera could come near to see all this abrasion at the side, here, here, and also some discoloration, a lot of discoloration, and usually soil up. All these black stains are due to sweat, soiling up, and also scratches, discoloration at four corners, as I showed just now, and the body is just not firm enough, but we will try to see what we can do. Discoloration here and here. Yeah, the inside is very clean. The logo still remains, and the neck, the inside neck, so lining is also faded. So usually what we do is, in order to recolor, we got to find a spot where we could find the least adulterated, meaning least exposed to dirt. Then we copy the color, and we start cleaning and sanding, and also applying soil absorbers to remove the oil, and then we clean up the lining inside and so on. So this is probably, maybe the camera will come here, this is probably the best spot to get the color. This is one of the spot, and the other, it's let me check the inside here. So there's no chance to get color spot aside from there, but nevertheless there's another chance here. So it is good chance. This is a very nice clean area where it has got least adulterated spots. Okay, so get ready for other videos which will show you how the bag is restored. Okay, thank you. Hello and good afternoon. The earlier video we showed you the TOD's bag, and we mentioned that we will copy the color from here. And what we did was, we already copied the color, and we're going to show you how we match it. So we bring it out to the sunlight so that it gives us a very, very close match. Okay. Of course, the new color looks a little bit more bright. The old color is a little bit dark. It's because there's a little dust stain in every old colors, because these are old bag. So we have to imagine that what it was really looked like in color tone, in color sense, when it was new. Yeah. So there are four combination colors, which is orange, ochre, red, creamy white, and black. Okay. So it may not look 100% the same, but it's about 95%, because every eyes and videos are not exactly the same. Yeah. So even every pair of eyes look at color with a 5% difference about there. Okay, so as long as it's not blue, okay, or it's not red or yellow, okay, all right. So we've done some basic cleaning and we have removed some colors. Of course, we have to remove some colors here so that when we test, we get the actual color look. Okay, so we're gonna progress with other steps and do wait for the next video. Thank you. Hello, welcome to DK Plaza. So this is the TOD bag which we have completed, colored with the same color, and the handbag now is very smooth with new colors. The handle and all the edges are colored. So this is part of our services that we refurbished or we restore high value leather products, such as handbags like this, or wallet or belt, or even car seats or furniture. Okay, so what we'll do is the camera can come near to take the outcome of the bag. Look at the edges, they are now colored wonderfully, and this is the TOD brand that we are talking about. Also the inner part we have colored, the handles and so on. Yeah, so it's beautiful, and now we're gonna hand over to the owner this weekend. Thank you for watching.